loosen up your body. Allow yourself to inhale slowly and deeply while watching the beautiful scenery of the sea. Now, close your eyes and continue to breathe slowly and easily. Feel all the tensions release from your body each time you breathe out fully and slowly. Let go of all negativity in your mind each time you breathe out fully and slowly. Now, visualize yourself lying on the water buoyantly, and your body is rocking gently along with the sloping waves. On the water buoyantly, you are letting the water wash all of your anxiety away as you deeply inhale and fully exhale. Now you feel the sun shining over your whole body as you float on the water. You feel the sun shining on your body warmly and softly. Now you feel yourself completely relaxed and peaceful. You are relaxing as you breathe, and you are breathing as you relax. You feel your body melting into the water, and now you feel yourself going deeper and deeper into the state of relaxation. When you open your eyes, you will do everything successfully with a healthy body. When you open your eyes, you will see the world around you with a view of love. Take 3 deep breaths and open your eyes.